Someone drags their fingernails slowly down an old green chalkboard. Your shoulders tighten, your teeth clench, a shiver crawls up your spine. You did not decide to react. Your body did it entirely for you. No blade touched you, no fire. Just vibrating air molecules hitting your ears. Yet millions of people feel genuine physical pain from this one noise. Some people cannot even read these words without wincing right now. This screech ranks among the most hated sounds ever tested in the lab. For centuries, nobody could explain why this particular sound wrecks us. The answer hides inside the strange shape of your own skull. Everyone assumes it must be the high, screechy top frequencies, the thin squeal that seems to slice straight through your eardrums. In 1986, 3 scientists decided to actually test that assumption properly. They recorded the chalkboard sound and played it to volunteers repeatedly. Each volunteer rated the horror of the sound every single time they heard it. Then they filtered the recording, removing pieces one frequency at a time. Their guess was simple: strip out the high notes and kill the horror. They were completely, utterly wrong. Removing the high frequencies barely changed how awful the sound actually felt. The real culprit was hiding in the middle of the sound, between 2,000 and 4,000 hertz, right in the middle of hearing. That range overlaps closely with the pitch of a distressed human voice. Because your ear canal is not a simple, neutral tube for sound. Its shape amplifies certain frequencies far more strongly than others. And it boosts almost exactly the band where the chalkboard screech lives. So the frequency your canal amplifies most is the one that hurts most. But amplification alone could not explain a full-body reaction. Why does an amplified sound trigger a whole-body shudder like that? In 2012, neuroscientists put listeners inside a brain scanner to watch. Volunteers rated dozens of unpleasant sounds while lying inside the MRI machine. The team watched which brain regions lit up during the worst noises. 2 brain areas began talking to each other far more than usual. The auditory cortex and the amygdala started a rapid, intense conversation. The amygdala is your brain's ancient alarm system for danger and fear. When the screech hit, the amygdala reached back into the hearing centers. In this study, a stronger fear response tracked with higher pain ratings. Your body responded to a scratching sound, almost like an approaching predator. But here is the deeper twist: the sound itself was never the real threat. Your brain reacts to what the noise resembles, not to what it actually is. It hears a warning buried inside a frequency it learned long ago to fear. Some researchers think that band echoes the distress cry of a primate. A screech in that range once meant a member of the group was hurt. Ignoring that sound could have cost your distant ancestors their lives. So evolution may have wired that sound straight into your fear circuits and body. Knowing all of this science does not switch the reaction off. Your ears and your fear circuit still answer far faster than reason can. Next time your spine shudders at that screech, remember, your body is trying to protect you.